How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on Android. So if you want to fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or issue on your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go and restart your device. Once you've restarted your device, you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi router and restart your Wi-Fi router also. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the developer options. So just search for the developer option wherever you have it. In my case, I have it on my system options. On the system, you need to simply tap on developer options and you need to go with search, which is on the upper right. And here you need to search for Wi-Fi scan throttling. So just search for it and here you will have it. Just simply tap on it and you need to toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then it will improve your network performance. And once you've done with that, now you need to go with the second option, which is always keep on mobile data on. In my case, I have mobile data always active, which is right here. Just go and turn on the option, which is always keep mobile data active, even when Wi-Fi is active. So once you've done that, two things, then you need to go back and you just need to simply go with search again. Under search, you need to search for reset. And here you will have an option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here on the bottom, you will have reset settings and it will start the reset process. You just need to simply enter your PIN. And once it's reset, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.